Have you ever wanted a simple way to access your old hard drives? Clone a hard drive? Or just be able to add a drive without the hassle of taking your computer apart? The Sabrent 4-bay USB 3 SATA docking station allows you to insert your standard 2.5 or 3.5 inch drives into the docking station bays and instantly access drive content, or transfer data on up to 4 hard drives at one time. Each bay is hot-swappable, which means you don't need to reboot your computer before you can access your drives. The USB 3.0 communication is capable of transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. The Sabrent 4-bay docking station requires no installation, no enclosure assembly, no additional software, and no driver downloads. Just connect and go. Utilize your Sabrent 4-bay docking station to quickly clone your drives with just the push of a button. Setup is easy. Switch the PC clone button on the back of the device to the PC mode. Connect the provided power adapter to the power port, and then to an available power outlet. Connect the USB cable to the dock. Connect the USB end to an available USB port. If you have an available USB 3 port, this is suggested for optimal performance. Then insert your hard drives into the hard drive bays. Switch the power button to on. The LEDs will indicate power on and occupied bays. The Sabrent docking station is compatible with Windows OS and Mac OS X or higher. Sabrent's commitment is to offer the latest technology and the highest quality consumer electronic products at an affordable cost to you. This Sabrent 4-bay USB 3.0 SATA docking station is another great example.